Fix this error in 3 steps. Getting this error when dragging a video into WhatsApp for Windows? Don't worry, I fixed it in just 3 steps. Step 1. Check the file details. Search for your WhatsApp media reference. Check the file size and video codec. WhatsApp supports specific formats and codecs. Anything else might be rejected. Step 2. Know your codec. Now use the free tool Get Video Info to analyze your video. As you can see here, the codec isn't compatible with WhatsApp. That's why you're getting the error. Step 3. Convert the file. Time to fix it. Open any video converter, drag and drop your file, and click Convert Now. The tool will re-encode it into a WhatsApp-friendly format. Now try sending the converted video on WhatsApp. It works perfectly. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.